Hi, I'm Ashley, and I'm going to show you how to seductively eat cake while wearing red lipstick. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to be making two desserts using boxed cake mix. The first one is a lemon cake with a raspberry sauce. Now, I only added lemon juice to my cake, but you could add a little bit of lemon zest as well if you really want an extra kick of lemon in there. So once you have it all mixed together nicely, you're going to pour it into a greased baking pan. Make sure that you spread it all out nice and evenly. And now we're gonna make a raspberry sauce. Now, if you don't really feel like making a raspberry sauce, you could just top the cake before you put it in the oven with the fresh raspberries, and it will be delicious like that as well. So we put on some vanilla icing, and the raspberry sauce and a couple fresh raspberries, and you're done. Super delicious. So the next recipe is a cookie recipe, and I'm actually making lime cookies. I was thinking, we always hear about lemon cookies, but what about lime? But you could actually try any citrus that you like, maybe orange or grapefruit. Feel free to experiment here. So once you have the dough mixed together with no lumps or bumps, you're going to scoop it onto an ungreased baking sheet. Now mine are a little ugly, I'm going to admit that, but if you used a scoop, you could probably have much nicer looking cookies. So now we're going to make the glaze for the top of the cookies. It's just lime juice and powdered sugar, that's it. Dip the top of your cookies into the icing and let them sit for about 30 minutes so that the icing hardens up, and then they're ready to be eaten. So I hope that you enjoyed these two really easy recipes that you can make using cake mix. If you've ever tried any other recipes that you want to share with us, please let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.